Did you iron your shirt?
I know Grandma did. The anticipation is immense. Ella's got a bit of a problem. Back wheels come out.
Get off and push.
I had to get up and push up the hill. How you feeling, Ella?
Tired, hot, ready for a shower.
Yeah. Shame we haven't got a shower, isn't it? How did you get off the train?
En route.
Shit, isn't it?
Pause on the video, we'll be back for the next shot. Did you iron your shirt?
I know Grandma did.
No.
Voila.
Full look.
We are at the start line. It's already very hot. We've refueled with petit déjeuner for €9 and we're about to start in about 15 minutes, so we're heading for the start line. How are you feeling, Ella? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Ready.
What's the temperature like?
Very hot.
Very hot. We're in the line to start. We have 4 minutes before we leave. The anticipation is immense.
Bon voyage, messieurs du vélo. Bon voyage, filez au poteau.
Ella's got a bit of a problem. Back wheels come out.
Get off and push.
I had to get up and push up the hill. I noticed that you managed to get to the top. We have done the first 8 kilometres.
Yeah.
And it's our first stop for wine and water.
And bread.
And bread.
Sandwich.
Bon appetit. Ever wondered what it takes to ride a century-old French bike again? Mine was a 1930s relic. No gears, rusted solid and barely holding together. But piece by piece, thread by thread, I brought it back to life for one last ride through Anjou. Right, we are starting a climb up through the vineyard. Are you ready, Ella, for the climb?
I'm ready.
Good.
Are you?
No. I'm not worried about the climb, I'm more worried about the descent.
The brakes.
The brakes, or lack of brakes. But I don't seem to be alone.
Seems to be a common problem.
A common problem with amongst these old bikes. Oh, I didn't tighten your bike up. Yeah, thank you. No. We are at
Cave Robert et Marcel.
Cave Robert et Marcel at 10.5 kilometres from 12 o'clock until 1:15.
Coke.
We're going for Coke this time.
Not for Raymond de Loire Vintage.
Cave Robert et Marcel. We just cycled through the cave,
Yeah.
which was absolutely amazing, so cool.
Couldn't see a thing.
Couldn't see a thing, but the temperature was perfect.
Yeah.
And then you come back out into the sunshine.
31 degrees.
31 degrees, lovely. Anyway, we're going to drink our Coke and then we are going on to La Bouchardière.
La Bouchardière.
La Bouchardière at 17 kilometres. So we've got an epic 7 kilometres to do now.
Yeah. And next stop we have 2 wine and lunch.
And lunch. Awesome. What could possibly go wrong? Absolutely nothing. Hello. How you feeling, Ella?
Feeling good?
Feeling good?
Hot?
Hot. Probably got another 5k left
Yeah.
for dinner.
Lunch.
Perfect. I don't tell you, I thought it'd be on a nice smooth path.
Lunchtime.
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 One of the first to arrive.
Wow. First group to arrive.
First group to arrive. Putting in an epic pace. Nice and shaded. What would you say this is? Potato gratin?
Gratin avec cheese. Let's give it a go.
Baguette?
Spaghetti.
Wow. Oh my god. That's awesome.
We just had lunch and wine, and we've still got the second wine left. And then it's 3 kilometers till the next one.
Only 3 kilometers?
Yeah.
Oh wow, okay.
No, 3.5 kilometers
Wow,
to the
okay.
next one, where we'll be getting some strawberries
Yeah.
and some red wine.
Hat hair. Beautiful hat hair. Want to see how far a little rust and determination can go? Her 1960s Automoto started as 2 broken bikes, a cracked frame, seized bolts, and a lot of late nights. But in the end, we built something beautiful and rideable. Right, we have eaten. My moustache is looking epic. We drank wine, Coke, water. We sat in the shade for an hour. Now we are going to the next stop, which is a mammoth 3k away?
3.5.
3.5k away, where there is
More wine.
and strawberries. Okay, we are off the bike again because we are at the next stop.
20k?
20k,
20.5.
20.5k, and we have got more wine probably.
Yeah, and strawberries.
And strawberries, yes, I remember now. And some epic music.
Ready woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ready woman, look my way. Ready woman, say you stay.
Stayed off the alcohol this time. Ella's still on it. Super hot. Ooh.
Bravo, merci. Bel effort. Vous avez eu un...
Right, the heat and the vin has taken its toll. Oh, my hat's a bit crooked as well. There we go.
Rosé.
Rosé, nice and fresh. With some melon. Fresh. Hey. We're sat under the tree in the shade. Music and entertainment over there. And we've done 25k.
Yeah. It's harder than it looks.
Yeah. What's the deal, huh?
Well, that was the hill that wasn't meant to be a hill. 9k to go?
9k to go.
9k to go.
Sweaty mess.
Sweaty mess.
But I'm reassured that everyone else is too.
Yeah.
We can see.
Lots more walking than from the start, including us. How you feeling, Ella?
Tired, hot, ready for a shower.
Yeah. Shame we haven't got a shower, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we have got the Loire.
Woohoo!
We made it! Hooray! Hey! We have made it to the last stop. We have cake and
Iced tea.
iced tea, yeah. No wine.
No wine this time.
That's far too much wine. We have done it. 35k. Probably the most epic 35k we've ever done.
Longest 35k.
The bikes have kind of held out alright. Bodies have held out alright. Time to go and have a dip in the Loire Valley.
Woo! Wow, this was amazing. Really enjoyed it.
That's good, wasn't it?
Et voici les champions de l'Anjou Vélo Vintage. Bravo à vous, félicitations, merci. C'était sympa, l'année prochaine, hein?
Oui.
Bravo, bravo, bravo. Allez, on tient contre le bravo, bravo. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Merci. Incroyable, 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 yes, yes.
By the way, if you love discovering France by bike, from gravel and bike packing to coastal escapes, epic road climbs and hidden villages, hit subscribe. There's plenty more French cycling adventures coming your way.